Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Easy Way of Learning with Akash Kumar. I developed this video to give you the idea about how to present your project for school. This video is little bit big, please have patience and watch this video till the end. I make sure that you will get sound knowledge about preparation of project after watching this video. So I have brought you a complete project on chemistry to tell about how to deal with the topics given by your school. Now let's start this video. First, you can write, "Welcome to my chemistry project presented by," whatever your name is, on your first page. And in the second page you should write, "Acknowledgement." What should you write in acknowledgement? Let's see. In accomplishment of this project successfully, many people have bestowed upon me their blessings and the heart pledge support. This time, I am utilizing to thank all the people who have been concerned with project. Primarily, I would thank God for being able to complete this project with success. Then I would like to thank my principal. Here you'll write your principal's name, and chemistry teacher. Here you'll write your teacher's name, whose valuable guidance has been the ones that helped me patch this project and make it foolproof success. His suggestions and his instructions has served as the major contributor towards the completion of the project. Then I would like to thank my parents and friends who have helped me with their valuable suggestions and guidance has been helpful in various phases of the completion of the project. Contents: water, sources of water, surface water, underground water, 3 states of water, solid, liquid, gas, the water cycle in nature, evaporation, condensation, precipitation, importance of water, uses of water, the need for potable water, characteristics of drinking water, water-borne diseases, purification of natural water, water, the universal solvent, saturated solution, unsaturated solution, water pollution, causes of water pollution, methods of preventing/reducing pollution, need to conserve water, conservation of water. Introduction. I feel immensely delighted to present this project. In this project I have tried to give all the important and appropriate things about the project. In this project, I have endeavored to make this project attractive and easy to understand. Each and every topic of the project is well explained in detail, which will enhance the depth of the learning experience. This project focuses mainly on the origin of water and their current status in the environment. I have also included pictures or diagrams related to the topics, which is my creativity. I am thankful to my teacher. Here you'll write teacher's name, who gave me moral support and guided me to complete this project on time. He/she also suggested me how to deal with the topics regarding this project. While doing this project I came to know many new and interesting things. It is sincerely hoped that this project is immensely helpful to me. I have given all the information in this project by consulting books and useful resources. Topic 1. Water. Water is the most important natural resource. We use water every day for bathing, washing, drinking, and several other purposes. Water is also used in agriculture and industries. It is crucial for all living beings. If water is not available to plants, animals, and human beings, they will die. Living beings may survive a few days without food, but not without water. Topic 2. Source of water. About 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. That is why the Earth is also called the blue planet or the water planet. About 97% of water is found in seas and oceans. However, it is not suitable for drinking and irrigation. The remaining, about 3% of the Earth's water, is available to us as fresh water in glaciers, rivers, lakes, ponds, springs, wells, etc. Less than 1% of water is suitable for drinking purposes. Some of the water sources are on the surface of the earth while others are underground. Thus, the sources of natural water can be divided into two groups, i.e., surface water and underground water. Surface water. Surface water is present on the surface of Earth. There are 5 main sources of surface water: rainwater, ocean and sea water, river water, lake, pond water, underground water. The water which percolates through the upper layer of the Earth's surface and is collected on the solid rocks underground is called underground water. The main sources of underground water are spring water, well water. Topic 3. 3 states of water. Water exists in 3 states: solid, ice, liquid, water, and gas, vapor. The 3 states are interchangeable. It can be changed from one state to another by changing the temperature. When temperature is raised, solid state of water changes to liquid state, and liquid state changes to gaseous state. Topic 4. The water cycle in nature. On heating, water turns into water vapors. Water vapors, on cooling, form water again. The change of water from one form to another, over and over again, is called the water cycle in nature. The water cycle involves the following processes. Evaporation. The sun warms the water in the oceans, ponds, lakes and rivers. The water from the sources continuously changes into water vapors which escape into the air. The process of changing water into water vapor is known as evaporation. Condensation. When the water vapor cool at higher altitudes, minute water droplets are formed. The process of cooling of water vapors into minute water droplets is known as condensation. Precipitation. The tiny water droplets form clouds. When the water droplets in the clouds come together, they form larger droplets of water. The larger droplets become heavy and fall as rain back to the earth. The process of forming rain from small droplets is known as precipitation. Topic 5. Importance of water for sustenance of life on earth. Water is an essential component of all living bodies. All animals and plants contain large amount of water in their bodies. The human body has about 70% of water by weight. It plays a variety of roles in our body. Firstly, it helps the digestion of food in our stomach. Secondly, it facilitates the absorption of nutrients in the blood and their distribution to various parts of our body. Thirdly, it helps in maintaining body temperature. Water is essential for the germination of seeds and growth of plants as well. Water acts as a medium for transporting nutrients from soil to different parts of the plant, including leaves. Uses of water in our day-to-day life. Water is used for all domestic purposes such as washing, bathing, cooking, watering plants, irrigating crops, etc. Water is a good medium for transport of goods. The seeds of several plants are transported by water. The seeds fall on water, float, and are carried away to far-off places. Several varieties of plants spread from one place to another in this manner. Falling water is used to produce electricity in dams. Topic 6. The need for potable water. The water suitable for drinking by human beings is called potable water. Of the total water on Earth, 97.4% is in oceans. It is salty and hence cannot be used by human beings. Most of the fresh water is frozen in glaciers and in the polar areas of the Earth. Only a small fraction, 0.01%, is available for human use. This small amount of accessible water is repeatedly recycled for use by animals and human beings. Water that we get from various sources may not be fit for drinking. It may have dissolved salts, along with suspended particles and microorganisms. Characteristics of drinking water. The main characteristics of drinking water are as follows. It should be transparent. It should be odorless and colorless. It should contain some minerals essential for our body. It should be free from harmful microorganisms which cause diseases. Topic 7. Waterborne diseases. The water obtained from different sources is not always potable, i.e., not fit for drinking. It may contain harmful chemicals and microorganisms. The chemicals and microorganisms may cause diseases. Such diseases are known as waterborne diseases. Some waterborne diseases are as follows. Diarrhea. It is caused by an infection in the intestine and is characterized by frequent loose motions. It results in dehydration. Typhoid. It is caused by a bacterium present in the drinking water. The bacterium affects the intestine, leading to high fever for a number of days. Jaundice. Hepatitis. It affects the liver of a person, and it's caused by the hepatitis A virus. In this, the person suffers from disorder of the liver, nausea, weight loss, and stomach pain. Cholera. It causes frequent vomiting. It may even cause death if medical treatment is delayed. Gastroenteritis. It is caused by an infection in the intestine. It is characterized by pain in the stomach with loose motions. Dysentery. It is caused by bacteria or amoebae. This infects the walls of intestine, resulting in secretion of mucus during motion. In severe cases, acute stomach pain and bleeding also occur. Topic 8. Purification of natural water. Pure water is required for drinking, industrial, and scientific purposes. The water obtained from natural sources is not always potable. It may contain suspended and dissolved impurities and microorganisms. Therefore, water needs to be purified before its use. This can be done by killing the germs and removing impurities from it. The purification of water involves sedimentation and decantation, loading, filtration, chlorination, storage. Topic 9. Water, the universal solvent. Water has the capacity to dissolve a large number of substances, thus it is known as the universal solvent. A solvent is a substance in which another substance gets dissolved completely and evenly. The substances that dissolved in a solvent are called solutes. When solute dissolves in a solvent, we get a solution. In a solution, a solvent is present in large quantity, then the solute solution of any substance in water is known as its aqueous solution. Saturated solution. A solution which cannot dissolve any more solute into it at a particular temperature is called a saturated solution at that temperature. Unsaturated solution. A solution which can take up more of the solute at a given temperature is called an unsaturated solution. Topic 10. Water pollution. The presence of unwanted material makes water polluted. Inland water is offline polluted by several chemical substances and tiny living organisms. Said substances and living organisms are known as water pollutants, and this condition of water is known as water pollution. Causes of water pollution. The main causes of water pollution are industrial waste, domestic sewage, agricultural waste, acid rain, dumping of garbage into water bodies. Topic 11. Methods of preventing/reducing pollution. The following are the methods of preventing/reducing pollution. The sewage should be treated in sewage treatment plant rather than directly released into rivers. The polluted water from industries should be passed through effluent treatment plants so that all the harmful chemicals present may be removed. The organic farming should be encouraged so that excessive use of pesticides and insecticides may be reduced. Trees and plants may be planted along the banks of the rivers. Bathing and cleaning of animals near the source of water like lakes, rivers and ponds must be avoided. The waste products from factory should be recycled and used before being released. We should also stop throwing dead bodies of animals and human beings into the river. In many areas, people defecate in open fields. The rain washes away human excreta and animal dung into the nearby water sources. The dung contains several harmful microorganisms that can cause disease, such as diarrhea, dysentery, and jaundice. Human and animal excreta should be prevented from mixing in water sources. Topic 12. Need to conserve water. The total amount of potable water for living organisms is not sufficient. Therefore, it is very important and essential to conserve water. Some of the reasons to conserve water are as follows. The overuse of groundwater has led to scarcity of water. The output of crops is severely affected by the scarcity of water. Agriculture and industrialization demand a large quantity of water. Topic 13. Conservation of water. Following are the methods of conserving water. Rainwater harvesting must be done both at domestic and community levels. In this process, collection, storage, and use of rainwater is done. More and more plantation is to be done as plants help in bringing rain. Use of drip irrigation or spray irrigation system for agriculture crops must be encouraged. Methods of water pollution prevention must be adopted. Let us help maintain the water cycle in the nature. Organizing mass awareness programs to private and public sectors to conserve water. At the individual level, avoiding wasting of water. Do not leave the tap open while brushing your teeth or washing hands. All topic is completed. Now we'll write. Conclusion. This project work has been done following the rules and regulations of Indian Certificate of Secondary Education, ICSE. While doing this project, I knew about utility of water, sources of water, and many interesting things related to water. I also knew that water is unique because it is the only natural substance that can exist in all three states of matter at the temperature normally found on Earth. I have tried my best to make this project error-free. If any mistake is made, then I express my regret. I hope the readers will find it legible and will enjoy it. Thank you. And lastly, we'll write. Bibliography. I have collected all the informations from the book to complete this project. Following is the book with the help of which I got many ideas of chemistry, which helped me to complete my project work. Book, It's All About Science. Author, R.P. Rana. Publisher, S. Chand. In this way you should complete your project. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want this in PDF form, please go through the link given in description box. Be happy and stay healthy. See you soon with a new video.